Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of President's Day, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw a cartoon version of the Constitution. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our little cartoon Constitution, we're going to begin right here on our paper, and we're going to make a little line that's going to curl up, and then it's going to come down. So starting right here, we're going to make a little line. It's going to curl up like a little hook, and then it's going to curve down like this. Next, we're going to go down a little bit farther, and then I'm just going to curl up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come all the way to that line. Over here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come out like this. Next, I'm going to curve it down just a little bit. And I'm going to bring it all the way to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out to here. And then we're going to curve down and then in like this. Now, starting up here, we want to write a couple words. So we're going to start off with just "We the People." So I'm going to write "We the People" right up here along the top. And then I'm going to give our little Constitution a face. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to add a little circle shape here. We're going to leave some space, and we'll add another little circle shape right here. Then I'm going to add two little circles right here for the pupils. And then right here, I'm going to make a line across, and then a line that goes down and then up. We'll add a little sad face in here, and then we'll color this in to make the tongue. Then we'll give them some eyebrows too. Then right across here, I'm going to add some squiggly little lines. Some of them can be broken, some of them will be full, just to show some of the different writing on here. We'll do the same thing down here. Then starting over here, we're going to add the little pen or the quill to show like how people can sign it. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a nice little curved line that just comes down. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes out and then in. Starting here, I'm going to add a little line that goes up, and then I'm going to add some little points onto it to make it look like it's a feather. I'm going to do the same thing out here. I'm going to go up and then down, up and down, up and down, and then I'm just going to connect it to here. Then we just want to color in just the tip of that. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon Constitution. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.